Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up push to talk on your Discord via application in your mobile phone. First of all, we want to open the Discord. We want to take a look on the bottom part of your screen. Then we want to go to the bottom right side where your photo is. We push or we click on your photo. There's a couple of options already here. We want to go to app settings and voice activity. And already, as you can see, there's an input mode and it's set up to voice activity. What we want to do, we want to go to push to talk. And that's about it. That's how you switch it between push to talk and voice activity. If you want to do it again or change it, it's basically all the same. Bottom right corner, we want to go app settings, voice, and you can change it there. Well, that's about it.